Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tiramisu with rusk. We will begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients, such as crisp rusks, freshly brewed coffee, creamy mascarpone cheese, and fresh eggs. Next, we will prepare both the coffee for dipping and the luxurious mascarpone cream. Then, we will carefully assemble the layers, ensuring a perfect balance of flavors. Finally, we will chill the dessert to achieve that irresistible, melt-in-your-mouth texture. Now, let's prepare the essential components for our tiramisu. First, brew about 2 cups of strong espresso or dark roast coffee and set it aside to cool completely. Next, separate 4 egg yolks and whisk them vigorously with 1/2 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture becomes pale and fluffy. Finally, gently fold 500 grams of creamy mascarpone cheese into the egg yolk mixture until it is perfectly smooth and airy. With our coffee and cream ready, it's time to assemble this delightful dessert. First, quickly dip each rusk into the cooled coffee, making sure it absorbs enough liquid but doesn't become overly soggy. Next, arrange a single, even layer of these coffee-soaked rusks at the bottom of your chosen serving dish. Then, spread about 1/3 of the rich mascarpone cream mixture evenly over the rusks. Repeat this layering process 2 more times, finishing with a generous layer of cream on top. The final steps are crucial for achieving the perfect tiramisu. First, cover your assembled dessert tightly with plastic wrap to prevent it from drying out in the refrigerator. Then, refrigerate the tiramisu for at least 4 to 6 hours, or even better, overnight. This chilling time allows all the flavors to fully meld and the dessert to set beautifully. Just before serving, dust the top generously with unsweetened cocoa powder. Now, slice and enjoy your homemade tiramisu.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.